All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'm going to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Rakakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone who rule well and teach well. Peace and blessings to the elect of Israel out there that's pushing this word in all truth and sincerity. All right, I'm gonna be talking about how to make a natural energy drink. All right, and as you can see, I got green tea, lemons, ashwagandha, and ginseng. And I'm doing mine hot because hot tea will increase your metabolism a little bit more, and really loosen your insides and relax your insides to help your digestive system. And I'm going to start by breaking down green tea. Green tea alone, without the other stuff, uh, will will give you energy throughout the day, and it differs from other energy drinks because uh, it has what's called Ltheanine, and Ltheanine is found in other energy drinks, but it's not naturally found. All right, it's synthetic Ltheanine and synthetic caffeine, but caffeine and Ltheanine is, you know, put there by the Most High in this plant. All right, so do you want Esau putting together an energy drink, or do you want to make something that the Most High made? All right, or use something that the Most High made, I should say. Um, but with that, the caffeine in it will help metabolism, give you energy. But the L-theanine in it will increase mental clarity. It'll balance out the jitters. All right, it will give you something called homeostasis. All right, and when you look up that word, it basically means like a balance with that within your body. All right, so the L-theanine kind of balances out the caffeine, but they both give you the proper nutrients from both of those things. So it will give you the mental clarity along with the energy. Ginseng, all right. Ginseng is also found in a lot of energy drinks today, but once again, it's not naturally found. All right, it's usually the genetically modified crap. All right, because you have American ginseng and you have Chinese ginseng or Korean ginseng or red Panax ginseng. All right, me personally, I don't trust the American. All right, because I think a lot of stuff grown in America is genetically modified, or it is polluted by chemtrails, pesticides, everything that under the sun in America, right? So if you do want to use ginseng, look for the Korean or the Chinese or the red Panax Korean ginseng. It might be called Asian ginseng. But yeah, this will definitely get your energy levels up, and I think it also brings homeostasis to a lot of other things. Quick side note: when you do use herbs, it's very important to keep in mind that these herbs, they won't work by itself. You have to make behavioral changes for these to work. All right, you can't just drink green tea and expect that you're gonna be you're gonna go to the gym. All right, you got to work with the herbs. All right, they won't work for you. All right, so that's just a quick little side note. Ashwagandha. All right, this is a very good stress reliever. All right, and when you reduce stress levels, energy levels will increase. All right, and with that, testosterone levels will increase. I think this herb is also good for your respiratory system, and along with your mood. It helps with your mood a whole lot. So, and then on top of it, you get a lemon. You can squeeze it in there, and it brings out all the really good nutrients of the rest of these herbs. All right, and it also has a good taste to kind of balance out that herbal taste, because sometimes the herbs are kind of overpowering on the green tea, and that lemon kind of helps balance it out. Another side note: if you're gonna do green tea and you have it in a tea bag, You can you can buy green tea leaves and boil them, straight with the leaves, but also the leaves are already in the tea bag. But it's better to take the leaves out of the tea bag and boil them, because they're pretty big leaves, and when they're in a tea bag, they can't fully expand out all the way, and you don't get the full effect. All right, the reason why tea bags were created was because Jake was trying to sell tea, but nobody would want to stop and buy a bunch of leaves, so he packaged them up into bags and sold them that way. That's why people drink it from a tea bag now. All right, is just because he could fit a whole lot more inside of a box. All right, but that's a quick little history on green tea. But yeah, it's better to just boil the leaf. All right. Another thing with the lemons is this is a trick that our camp picked up from Ariamlab, but you can actually eat the whole lemon. All right, so after you're done squeezing the juices out, yes, you can eat the whole lemon. The rind has a lot of good proteins in it, and it will get you a lot of good nutrients for your day. So yeah, with that, I hope this video was edifying, and shalom.